Welcome to the moment that you've been waiting for, because this isn't about anyone else. This is about you. Because what if there was nowhere to hide? Nowhere. No one to blame. No excuses to fall back on. Imagine a world where everything is yours to bear. This is absolute ownership. A standard that doesn't just redefine leaders, it redefines you at your core. Because taking absolute ownership means standing alone in every decision, every mistake, every triumph. It's not about authority, it is about heart. It is about facing the mirror and embracing the truth that only you can control your story. And here's how embracing absolute ownership changes you at the deepest level. One is you've got to find unshakable clarity in yourself. Because when you own everything, you stop the inner battles. No more wrestling with blame, no more second guessing. This is where you start to see yourself clearly. Stripped of every excuse, ready to face what's real. Second is you build trust that can't be broken. People follow authenticity, and ownership is as real as it gets. And when you show up fully, no hiding, no half-truths, you inspire others to do the same. Your commitment to owning every part of your journey builds trust that words can't even touch. Third is you unlock the power of vulnerability. Ownership means facing your weaknesses head on, with no shame, no fear. This is where real growth happens. Not from perfection, but from the relentless pursuit of betterment. Each flaw becomes a stepping stone, each misstep a teacher. Fourth is you set your own standard of excellence, because absolute ownership makes you unafraid to hold yourself to the highest standard. It's not for anyone else, it's for you. You are relentless because you believe you deserve nothing less than the best version of you. 5 is you become resilient in every part of your life, because ownership isn't just resilience in leadership. It is resilience in life. Every setback, every failure is your fuel. And with ownership, nothing breaks you. It only builds you into the person you were always meant to be. So take a hard look at where you're holding back right now. What part of your life have you been afraid to fully own? Because now is the time. Strip away every excuse and take radical ownership over everything. Because at the end of the day, this is how leaders like you are absolutely